It's pumping right now.
Good news surf series.
It's a good news surf series. Good morning, brother.
I slept in. I'm late. I'm late for the free surf. Gonna go catch a
some
few.
sick ones. Yeah, so we're down here at Torrance Beach today for the Good News Surf Series for charity. We got tons of prizes from ET Surf, and then we got a big wave gun, a surfboard blank, and then some cash. And my mom bought these little like bubble wand things, so it'll be sick. And we planned it yesterday morning. I saw the buoys and texted all the boys and like, let's get down here. And then ET crew showed up, so thank you, Annie, for filming. And it's gonna be a sick day. And keep everyone safe from stingrays, let everyone shuffle, and let all the groms get super barreled, and the older guys do airs, and the people do nose rides, and just have so much fun. And we're so grateful just for your mercy and beautiful good news, and that's why we're calling it the Good News Surf Series. Try not to
Well, it's a great morning out here. It's sunny, hot, and the waves are pretty awesome, not gonna lie. And Will's putting on a great show right now. All the boys are fired out and we're about to go out there and get a few.
for such an amazing day. Torrance is like never good in the summer, so this is a huge blessing, and thanks to all the kids ripping and the winners for shredding. Thanks for coming, guys.